Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm addressing a common issue with the Dell OptiPlex 3000 thin client. If you're seeing 3 amber and 5 white blink codes, it indicates a power rail failure and often means it's time for a system board replacement. Here's what you'll need for this repair: a replacement system board, a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste. Let's get started by opening the thin client. Remove the thumb screw securing the case, then gently slide the side cover off to access the internals. Remove the memory stick, speaker, and heatsink. Gently lift the system board from its mounts. Here's our new system board. Carefully place it into position and secure it with screws. Reconnect the speaker. Make sure to plug into the right port. Now apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before reattaching the heatsink. Once everything is connected and secure, replace the cover and thumb screw. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.